guys, it's Brian, and today it's another unboxing video. I don't know if it's been a week, but sorry guys, I just got back from school because of aftercare. I finally got this. It's been in the mail for a long time. I couldn't find it at any stores, and I finally found it. Last week, our unboxing, or if it's even been a week, it was the Tooth and Ballers. Yeah, the Tooth and Ballers. This week, I'm not gonna do like weekly unboxings or anything, but I've been waiting for this figure so long. Series 83, King Corbin. I know it's been a while since I got this figure because it's like Series 90 now, right? But my point is I got the King Corbin. I've been waiting for this for months. For information, if you guys want to read it. Wait. That's actually weird. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that. Who wants to read anyways? So, yeah guys. I'm very excited. This is my first communion present because I'm doing first communion on Saturday. Background, nice background. And the series, it has Drew McIntyre, Edge, Dusty Rhodes, King Corbin, and Sasha Banks. Robe. I don't really know if I can robe or not, but oh my gosh. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. We have this thing. We have the crown. The King Corbin crown. Whoops. King Corbin, we got him. Finally. This might be a short video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna call Kevin right after this. That's why I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you guys for 22 subscribers. I think it's because of our video with me and Kevin on the trampoline. And yeah, I mean, thank you guys for that. And thank you guys for all of the subscribers because I gained 2 more subscribers. And see you guys in the next one. Out.